Based on structural behavior, pavements are generally classified into two categories: flexible pavements, rigid pavements. Flexible pavement is the road pavement which can undergo change in shape to some extent without rupture. Rigid pavement is the road pavement which cannot change its shape without rupture. Flexible pavement consists of series of layers with the highest quality material at or near the surface. Rigid pavement consists of one layer of cement concrete slab of relatively high flexural strength. In this module, we are going to understand the step-by-step process of the construction of a flexible pavement. Construction of flexible pavement includes site clearance, laying of pavement layers, and road furnishing. The first process which is done prior to any constructional activity is called site clearance. During the process, the site is cleared of any obstruction, including buildings, fences, utility lines, abandoned drainage structures, and vegetation within permissible limits. The next step is the laying of different pavement layers. Highways are subjected to high level of traffic stresses regularly. The vertical compressive stress is maximum on the pavement surface directly under the wheel load and is equal to the contact pressure under the wheel. Layer system concept was developed for stress distribution on the flexible pavement. There are 6 layers, namely embankment and subgrade under earthwork, granular subbase GSB under subbase course, wet mix macadam WMM, and dense bituminous macadam DBM under base course, and bituminous concrete under wearing or surface course. Due to the ability to distribute the stresses to a large area in the shape of a truncated cone, the stresses get decreased at the lower layers by grain to grain transfer through the points of contact in the granular structure. Road furnishing is carried out to facilitate the beautification, safety, and smooth operations of the constructed highway. This includes activities like traffic control devices, road safety devices, and roadside furniture.
Planning is most important in execution of the highway projects. For planning, we are mostly engaging the contractors for execution of the work, and we have to go up to micro level of planning. These projects are on-road projects and traffic is going on. For that, we have to take the safety measures, we have to do safety measures for users' safety and third-party safety. For success of a project, contractor, including EMC and our staff, are together working in a line so that project will be completed in time within the budget.
Safety consideration in highway construction. The project manager should outline the organizational structure for safety and notify the responsibility of all employees towards safety during construction. All the workers and staff should be briefed about the dangerous hazards in construction sites. Labor and staff working at the site must possess jackets, gloves, shoes, helmets, safety belt, and other essential PPEs as per the job requirement. Signboard of all categories, informatory, hazardous, and cautionary, must be provided along the working zones to alert the people. Barricades must be provided wherever the traffic has to be restricted from entering the work areas. Moreover, to ensure safety, barricading done while working adjacent to canals or waterways or high embankments. Flagmen with flags and sign paddles should be positioned to control the traffic at construction sites.